what to do. He said he can get into my phone and I'm scared. I don't know
Listen,
what to do.
you want to hang them up off the line. Hang him up,
I don't
please.
know
Just
who
hang
to
them.
hang up with.
Hey, I'm Takeout. Over the past week, we've been talking to a scammer. It started out as any normal PCH scam would, but as the days went on, he started finding his character and acting way over the top. So I'm here today to embarrass the scammer and make sure he sees how stupid he sounds when he hears this one day. By the way, I want to do a head count. So if you're watching this and you're not a scammer, hit that like button and drop a comment telling me how much you hate these idiots. And if you are a scammer, hit the dislike button, because we would rather not see you anyways. I was wondering what we would call this series, and a friend said Andy 2.0 in chat, and I thought that was perfect. So without further ado, I give you
Andy 2.0.
You're gonna get a new phone and you're gonna have it programmed and you're gonna call me on my number, okay? Because it seems like Bug have a little issue with your phone.
Yes.
That number. Yeah, hello?
Yes, Andrew.
Yeah?
Hey, did you get my message?
I didn't read it.
Okay, well, Walmart said if someone's in my phone and I buy a new phone, I don't have to change the number.
Okay, I glad everything is on smooth now. Ghost is not in the phone again, because I don't know where he came from.
Yeah, I figured he would have said something by now. That man,
Okay, that's
he
good.
don't know how to shut up.
I'm telling you, honey, he don't know how to shut up. What we're gonna be do, cause I wanna bring your $8.5 million in your car at your home. Cause we're over here in New Jersey, and that's the reason I was so worried. And I'm saying I'm not gonna leave, okay?
Yes. Do you think instead of buying, can I register, like maybe send a check in the mail?
Alright, that is gonna take much more time, but we have something figured out what we're gonna let you do. Do you know where to find a FedEx?
FedEx. Yes, it's back there by Walmart.
Alright, so what you're gonna do, I get the paperwork from the IRS government. How long will it take you to reach home?
Maybe another 5 minutes.
Alright, so when you're home, I'm gonna take the paperwork. So just hold the line, and when you're home, you say hello, alright?
Okay.
Yes, Mrs. Sandra? I'm so happy when I hear you this morning. I was so sad, and I was worried about you.
Yes, I'm sorry. I was just worried about Ghost.
No, don't worry about him. He's in this no more.
Yes.
Alright? Alright, wonderful. So what happened? I want you to get a paper and a pen so I could give you some information, which we're gonna have to let you use the FedEx to make this payment, which have to go to the licensed government merchant banker, which is the CPA, alright?
I'm ready.
Alright, so what happened? Remember now, because it's over, remember it's 8,500,000 you're gonna receive, and because it's over 15 years now, no one in your city and state, they don't want they sell so much money. And what happened, our company, we already go ahead. So the only thing the government, they charge you for is to take care for 1% of the internal revenue tax, which have to go to the licensed government merchant banker. All right, so this figure, it is only going to cost you $8,500. Write it down.
we were able to pull him away from the gift cards to get the address. I can't say too much about this address, but it's a full house. We landed on a gold mine with this one.
Now let's have some fun.
How are you doing, my dear? I'm so worried about you. What happened the other day?
I'm doing fine. I'm all right.
What happened to you the other day? I was talking to you and the phone just got disconnected. What happened?
I don't know. I think, you remember Ghost?
Yeah, he called you?
Yes, I guess he's in my phone or something, and he made me hang up, and I could not do nothing with my phone since
Oh my
I
God,
talked to
I'm
him.
so worried about you. And did you get the cashier's check from the bank for the $8,500?
No, I did not, because I didn't have you on the phone, and I was not able to call you.
All right, so can you do it today?
Yes, yes.
All right, how long would it take you to get to the bank?
I'm gonna put some pants on, and maybe 20 minutes.
All right, listen what I'm going to do. I want you to have this number changed. Can you do that today? Don't worry about who is in your phone. I just need you to have a new number.
Yeah,
Because I don't feel comfortable doing business with you and this number. Each time I have you on the line, I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose you.
it's all right. Calm down. We can
I
get all
don't
this
want to
done
lose you right
today.
up. Crying from the other day. I was trying to call you and I cannot get in touch with you. I'm so worried about you. I don't want to lose you.
What is he thinking?
Oh my God, he's such a freaking actor. Holy crap.
Those guys, they bug your number and I need you to have this number changed. Please.
Yes, I'm going to a store now, and let me get the number changed. I gotta get this man out of my phone.
Yeah, get him out of your phone, and for you to get him out of it, you have to change the number. I need you to change the number. So what I want, listen, you're not gonna hang me up until you reach the store. You don't hang me up. Go now.
All right.
Yes, I'm on the line.
All right.
All right, listen, I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose you. Oh my God, I don't want to lose you.
It's gonna be okay, sweetheart.
I want it to be okay, Mama. I don't want to lose you. Please. I don't want to lose you. Please, okay?
Calm down. It's gonna be okay.
All right, I'm gonna be calm now. I'm gonna get myself a cool glass of water. Don't hang me up.
Nothing's
I don't want to
gonna
lose
happen
you.
to me. I gotta get this man out of
Yeah,
my
I
phone.
don't want to lose you no more.
Don't
I
be
don't
scared.
want to lose you, okay?
Sweetheart.
I don't want to lose you, please. I don't want to lose you, all right? I don't want to lose you. Hello, honey. You hear that beep in the phone?
Yes, I'm still hearing it.
All right, don't worry about that. If those guys try to call, they're not gonna bug in on this line. F them. Sorry about the indecent language, all right?
It's all right.
All right, my dear. I don't want to lose you. Please.
One thing about me, Sandy is always all right.
I know, honey, Mrs. Sandy. I know you always be okay. You're a rich lady. You have to be fine.
All right, I'm in the parking lot.
What you're gonna do, leave the phone in the car and go get a new phone with a new number.
Okay.
But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you a number you're gonna call me on with that number. You're not gonna talk the number on the phone. Just make sure the phone is programmed and it's working. And I'm just gonna give you a number. If I could text you the number, I will text you the number. I'm not gonna say, 'cause once I text you it, they cannot see nothing.
Yes.
And Ghost cannot hear nothing. I know you're on the line, Ghost.
Yes.
I know you're on the line.
Ghost, get off my phone. I'm telling you, if I knew where you was, I'd beat you.
I will listen, Mama. I will break his neck for you. You don't have to do nothing.
And I'll hold him while you do it.
I will break his neck for you. All right, don't worry about nothing. Just do what you have to do. Lay the phone down. Don't hang me up. Go get the phone and you get back. Andrew.
Yes,
where are you now?
Hey, I'm at Walmart.
Yes, I'm here. This is Andrew.
Not Walmart. I'm at the Bank of America.
All right. Did the bank open?
No, they're not. I'm at Walmart now. The Bank of America and Walmart are here together.
All right. The Walmart, they sell it inside. And remember now, you're going to keep your business private. So you're going to go in and you're going to let they know you need a $1 vanilla gift card.
Okay.
While I'm on the line, you're going to go inside. Please.
Okay.
I'm right here. All right, so leave me on the phone and you go inside and do what you have to do.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm putting
Hello?
you down now.
No, listen, even if they tell you that, watch what you're doing, let they know you need this card for your own personal use. Cause I've been working for my company over 25 years, and each time we have a winning recipient go into the Walmart to get a gift card like that, they always corrupt their mind. Okay?
We had Ghost subtly interfere with the call while the phone was still in the car and the scammer could hear. We're gonna skip past that and move on to the more fun part.
Andrew.
You sure you throw away that other phone call? Ghost called me back on your number, the old number, and I blocked it.
Ghost called you?
On the old number, I blocked. Don't think problem again.
Okay. Yeah, I have not heard from Ghost.
7, 8, 9, 8. That's it, right?
Yes.
Alright, what I'm gonna do, what I need you to do, can you turn off that phone? You're gonna turn it off right off. Turn it off and you're gonna call me back on this number. You're gonna head to the Dollar General. Head to the Dollar Tree or the Dollar General and you're gonna get 2 more of the same vanilla gift card. Don't worry about that noise you hear in the phone, okay?
All right. So you need
Yeah,
two more vanilla gift cards. Just like the
Yes,
ones
you're
I got,
gonna-
right?
Yes, just like the one you got. You're gonna get 2 more of them for 500 apiece. Don't hang me up.
Okay.
You hear that beep in the line? Is Ghost trying to call.
Yes,
Don't
he's
answer
calling
him and
me. Hold on.
Yeah, don't answer.
Hey, he wants me to hang up with you.
No, hang him up. Don't hang him up and you don't answer his call. Please, answer only my number. Let's listen to me, please.
I don't know what to do.
I tell you to hang that Ghost. Don't worry about
But
him. He's a little perpetrator.
He said you're trying to steal money from... He said that you stole $5,000 from him. How do you know?
No, he's a liar. Don't listen to him. Mama, you believe me or you believe Ghost? Let me know.
Listen to me. Now be honest with me.
I'm honest with you. I'm not here to steal nothing from you. Hang that Ghost. Hang them up.
How long have you known him?
I never know Ghost. I don't know him. My name is Andrew Goldberg. He's asking for Andy. I'm not Andy.
Hold on.
Hang him up off the line, please. Let's hang them up.
I don't know what to do. He said he can get into my phone and I'm scared. I don't know what to do.
You want to hang them up off the line. Hang him up. Hang him up, please.
I don't know who to hang up with.
All right, I'm going to hang up and you're going to hang up and I'm going to call you on a different number, okay?
Bye-bye.
This is an ongoing bait, so as long as everything goes fine, there'll be more videos of this same scammer. If you want to watch these calls live, follow me at twitch.tv/scammertakeout or subscribe to the YouTube channel that you're watching this on. I hope you enjoyed the scammer raid. This is Takeout. I'll see y'all.